Here are some common remedies for cough. Honey may relieve a cough more effectively than some over-the-counter medications. You can use this remedy by swallowing a spoonful of honey or adding it to a hot drink such as herbal tea. Ginger may ease a dry or asthmatic cough as it has anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking liquids at room temperature may alleviate a cough, runny nose and sneezing. Probiotics are microorganisms that can provide a host of health benefits. While they don't relieve a cough directly, they do help balance your gastrointestinal flora. Drink extra fluids to help thin secretions and make them easier to cough up. Avoid exposure to allergens and irritants and avoid smoking. Increasing humidity in the air helps relieve a cough. Please note that these remedies may not work for everyone, and if your cough persists for more than 3 weeks, is severe or is accompanied by other symptoms such as unexplained weight loss, persistent change in voice or lumps or swellings in the neck, you should see a doctor.